Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm just staring the dog down, like, he looking at me like, hey, you gonna hop your black ass out that car, we gonna bite the shit out of you. I'm looking like, hey, you ain't got to work. I'm standing my black ass right here. I ain't about to get my ankles bit up, and then I kick
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today has been unimpressive. Let me know in the comments below if y'all been feeling some of these woes, cause I went out, man, I was out for 3 hours this morning. I had Spark running, had an order canceled on me on there, had an order canceled on me on Grubhub. I got one Uber order done and a Doordash. No, I got 2 Ubers, a Doordash and a Spark. Man, I made 20 bucks this morning, guys. Straight waste of time. I had to come to the crib, give me some lunch, get myself together, cause I said, look, man, I just got my ass kicked out there. 20 bucks? But look, it's the evening time now. I'm about to head back out and see if I can make some. Man, I can't jig like that. I need to make my daily goal. Go ahead and do it like that. And then we can see what happened after that. Because when $20? Nah, that ain't enough for me. I was just about to head to O'Fallon, Illinois, because they got some surge on Uber down there. Doordash hit me with a pharmacy order. We at Walgreens right now picking up a pharmacy order. This one came in at $7 for 3 miles. Heading in the wrong direction. But I'm like, you know what? Let me at least get a couple dollars on the board before I start driving towards some surge. So I don't know what it is. All the apps are trash today. All of them. I just got an order on Spark after turning it on and off like 5 times. Man, they flooding Walmart Spark with all these trash Sam's Club offers, guys. It's ridiculous. It's horrible. Grubhub ain't sending nothing. And I just got my Grubhub card in the mail today and I activated it. Uber got surge all around me. It's literally $10 surge in a 3-mile radius all around me. I ain't got not one order in a whole hour. It's crazy. Doordash, I done went down to 50% on Doordash. They ain't sending me Nathan. This is crazy. Look, it took me, I just got this order and I pray to God I actually get it. I done had to cancel 2 Walmart Spark orders today. This is not a good day in the gig apps, guys. I'm like, I need to go get a job because I don't know what's going on. Looky here. I know they better have this order because I had to cancel too much stuff today. I had to cancel the pharmacy order on Doordash. They said it's gonna be 20 minutes. I said in 20 minutes I'm gonna have a violation. I had to cancel it. I need this order to be all the way ready, guys. I need it to be. Alrighty, that's the last of it right there. Woo! Wasn't even that bad, really. I could have used my toast to take it all the way up there. But man, these apps is trash today. That's the only good order I done got. Doordash trying to send me McDonald's offers. I'm not going to no damn McDonald's. Doordash tripping. Grubhub sent me one that was $12 for 12 miles. I'm like, nah, man. Keep me in my little zone. I'm gonna head back to Walmart, see if I can get one more. Ooh, man, they must have heard my pleas for help, man. I just got a great order. $28, 2 cents for 8 miles. 3 customers on this one. And man, I got a little bit worried because once I saw that 3rd customer, I was like, man, this order may not even exist. It may take them an hour to bring it to me. I don't know if y'all seen that Business Insider story, but a lot of these 3 customer trips, you know, you may wait an hour for the mugs. So I was kind of worried, but look, we got it. Look, I got one right there. I got one right there, and I got the other one all the way in the way back. Man, this is only my 2nd order, but I'm so happy that it's paying so well because now with 2 orders, I done got over 40 bucks. Now, this ain't how it always go, but today was the day I really needed it, guys, because these apps been straight throttling me today, man. Like, they been straight jamming me. I ain't made no money, but I'm cool now. I got these 2 orders, that $17 one, this paying $28. That makes it a whole lot better, guys. Now I at least got something to work with for today. And Uber did send me a couple offers. Look, they sending me one right now. What's this, $4.72? I'ma just kindly ignore that because I ain't even got time to entertain that, but at least they sending me something now. I had a $10 surge for like a whole hour. Next trip, extra $10, they sent me nothing. As soon as the surge ended, now I'm getting offers back to back. This is crazy. This is how they do you. But I'm cool with it though, man. Look, I know it's gonna be ups. Man, get this off my screen. Cause this is messing up my whole video. Look, I know it's gonna be ups and downs in the gig economy. I get it. But man, today was especially rough. 4 different gig apps was playing me at the same time. Grubhub played me. Had to cancel the Grubhub order this morning. Doordash played me. On a pharmacy order, they told me it was gonna be 20 minutes. Man, I canceled that thing so fast, I'm not getting no contract violation for a $7 order. I just got a contract violation the other day for being extremely late. And it was I was on live stream and I ain't tripping, but I ain't finna get another one. So then what happened after there? Walmart sent me a $7 order going 2 miles. I said, you know what, I'll take it to get the wheels rolling. Big mistake. I get up there, man, I waited like 30 minutes. They never brung the order out. and I had to go ahead and hit up support just to get rid of it. They didn't even leave me the option to cancel the order through the app. So it's just been a rough day. So to get these 2 orders back to back, no wait time, and they paying deep, man, you can't ask for nothing. All right, got the first one dropped off. Now we got 2 more to go. And this one actually right here was 5 miles away. So I think the next 2 are gonna be within this vicinity. And yeah, if I get some food delivery, that'll be the little icing on the cake. But man, Walmart Spark really saved the day on this one, because some of you guys was messing with me today. Just messing up my earnings, man. I don't know if they got app updates or today just ain't my day. I don't know, but I'm glad that I'm at least making a little bit. Sir, stop number 2, only 5 minutes away. Pulling up to that thing right now, man. That's what I needed, man, because these, whew, when it's rough out here, you really feel it, man. Because when it's easy, you don't even think about how easy you really got it, man. But I really had it rough today, and I'd be lucky if I make $100 on this little shift, because man, dog, got it dropped off. We heading out right now. Stop number 3 is another 5 minutes away. I wish all my 3 stop orders was like this, but a lot, man, you know, for the most part, I see them 3 customer orders, it'd be like $8, 7 miles, or if it is paying, you know, $12, it'll be $12 for 10 miles. I seen this one, $28 for 8. I was very skeptical, because in my mind, I'm like, it's gonna be something wrong with this order. It's gotta be for them to send it to me. So I guess every now and then you can get lucky with them 3 customer orders, but I try to stay away from them when I can. I really do. My preference when it comes to all the gig apps is shop and deliver. You're gonna be able to make the most money in the shortest amount of time on shop and deliver orders, because here's the thing. You don't have to wait for an associate to run it out to you, or you don't gotta wait for a food merchant to make the order or act like they made the order. You don't gotta wait for none of that. All you gotta do is get up in that store, shop them items, and get them delivered. So you have all the control in that equation. That's why I prefer shop and delivers. Let's go. But this one ain't. Hopefully I get a shop and deliver before the day is over with. But if not, I got a backup plan for that too. Set that down there. Set that down there. I don't think that dog back there like me. He's barking. The other dog ran out in the street. He peed on that pole so fast, it was hilarious. $34.62. 3 customer. This the second one in a row where it's a 3 customer order and it's paying great. 3 to 1 miles to money ratio. A lot of times where you see like a 1 to 1 miles to money ratio or 2 to 1, it's probably only 1 customer that tipped out of all. I got 2 orders back to back with 3 customers, and I think all 3 of them left a tip on. So you know what? This is what I needed. Like, man, I cannot stress how lucky I am today, because I was about to lose my mind. I was about to go apply for a W-2, because if it ain't easy to make my $100 in a day, look, something's going on. But I think I'm gonna hold off on that. We pulling back up to Walmart now. This is gonna be like the best 3 orders I done did on Walmart, and I don't know how long. And they bringing them out on time. Let's keep this up, Walmart, and then I speak good on your name. So we pulling up now. Hopefully, well, I got a couple minutes until check-in. All right, I can live with it. Leaving out right now. This one is super big. I mean, out of all the orders, this one gotta be the biggest one. The front seat order is pretty reasonable, but these 2 back seat orders, the back seat and the trunk order, I'm talking about big. Now I see why the tip was so huge on this one. Now our first delivery is 4 miles away, and after that, hopefully we coming back this way towards Walmart, because I hate to have to go further away, because we getting into prime time dinner hours, and Grubhub sent me an offer I couldn't take. Uber Eats sent me an offer I couldn't take, and that lets me know that the deliveries is gonna start to pick up. So I gotta get some of that. I need some of that today money. You know, that Walmart Spark, you gotta wait till every Tuesday for your deposit to hit. But that Doordash, that Uber, and that Grubhub, that's that same day money. So you know, I need that to go ahead and come on through. Man, they straight had they dogs out at that last delivery. Like, what is wrong with you? If you don't put these dogs up, they ain't on no leash. Now I get it. Some people in some nicer neighborhoods, they let their dogs roam. They protect the house. Just, you know, stay in the yard. I get it. But if you order in Walmart Spark and you know you got groceries coming, like you know this, why is you not putting them dogs up? Cause look here, I'm not about to get bit trying to do no Walmart Spark delivery. I'm not taking no chance. And look, I'm not gonna put myself in a position where I'm gonna have to mess somebody's dog up. No, so I'm just finna wait. Why is you making Spark drivers wait? Like, this is crazy. They put the dogs up eventually, but I had to wait outside their house for like 5 minutes, y'all. I'm just staring the dog down. Like, he looking at me like, hey, you gonna hop your black ass out that car? We gonna bite the shit out of you. I'm looking like, hey, you ain't got to worry. I'm standing my black ass right here. I ain't about to get my ankles bit up, and then I kick the damn dog. They wanna call the police on me. I get deactivated. No, just trying to do a delivery, man. I ain't got time for this. But look, all my Walmart Spark customers out there, put them dogs up. Turn the light on, put the dog up. Be ready when your delivery get there. We already got enough stuff to deal with when it comes to trying to get good orders, trying to make a profit. The one lady asked me like, oh, I appreciate you bringing them all the way into my apartment. She was elderly, you know, she couldn't live, no problem. I wish I could make sure I'm here next time to help you get your groceries in, because Walmart, look, it might be next year when I see you again. I told her, I might not see you again till next year, because there's so many drivers out here. Walmart plays so many games that, look, I would love to give you this level of customer service every single time, but I'm gonna be 100 with you. I probably won't see you again for about 6 months, lady. Hey, have a nice day. I'm sorry, but that's just the way Walmart Spark do it. Man, look at here, we heading back. I'm about to try to give me one more, or at least some food delivery order, scrape up about 20 more bucks. I'll call it a night, man, because it's been a stressful day. This has probably been the most stressful day doing these apps and shit the whole time, because whenever you ain't making no money, that's when it becomes stressful. If you making money, even if it's a little bit of money, you know, you can deal with it. It's ups and downs. But today was the first day that I actually thought, like, man, look, I might have to go ahead and find me a W-2, because I'd be damned if I don't make no money. I ain't finna go a whole day without making no money. Man, we finally got one. Shopping deliver. First shopping deliver of the day, guys. We got $18 for 6 miles. I think it said it's like 9 items on there, but it may be a couple doubles. Man, I'm about to get this one knocked out. And once I get done shopping it, I'm gonna turn Uber and Doordash on. Grubhub too. And I'm gonna see if I can get me a food delivery going in that 6 mile direction, because I'm trying to maximize. I'm feeling a little bit better about day now as these hours go on. Let's go ahead and get it. Nice little sunset right there off in the distance. We pulling up to Walmart right now. This is the back entrance. About to go up in here, find me. Look, I find when I hit the back entrance, it's much easier, because I go ahead and hit these side parking spots. That way I don't have to fish through the Walmart zombies. You know what I'm saying? They be up there trying to go in there and get their little everyday deals. I get it. But I'm trying to get up in here and shop this shop and deliver, so I can't be worried about all the grannies and the kids. I'm about to park over here by the gardens and get it popped. Took me 5 minutes to shop for all these items. A couple items in the J aisle, a couple items in the G aisle, and we done. Easy shopping. We got a 6 mile delivery on this one. The GPS says it's gonna take 10 minutes, but look how fast I got in and out of that store, guys. It's still, the sun is still setting. It's not even completely dark, and I was able to get in there, get out, got order, and now we heading to delivery. Let's get it. Just pulled up to my last delivery, and this is what I see. Keep gate closed. I love it when I pull up to a house and they just got a gate like this. Don't no other place over here got a gate. They think they need a gate. And you know what? Don't you worry about it. I'm gonna sit all for you, so we can keep that gate nice and closed. Keep gate closed. It's gonna stay closed. I guarantee you that. All right, let's get these right here. Let's drop those right there. Since they want me to keep the gate closed, no problem. We're gonna keep it closed.